Welcome sa aming very first travel vlog. Alam niyo matagal na namin pinaplano vlog kasi since marami naman kami napupuntahan dito sa Dubai, hotels, ganyan, and then when we go out of the country, kaso lang, wala lang, nakakahiya. Anyway, for today, we will be going for our very first cruise from Dubai to Sir Banyas Island in Abu Dhabi. So it's a private island in Abu Dhabi, and we will be riding the Resorts World 1 cruise. Nabook namin to via the Klook app. So not sponsored by Anyway. Pero anyway, we're on our way to Port Rashid sa cruise terminal number 2. Doon kami manggagaling from Dubai going to Abu Dhabi nga. The duration of this cruise is only for 3 days and 2 nights. So, samahan nyo kami and I hope you enjoy this video. So, nandito na nga kami sa Terminal 2. Time check around 4:45 PM. Mga 5 PM pa naman ang check-in. So, saktong-sakto lang kami. Sunset na. Winter na kasi dito ngayon sa Dubai. So, medyo mas maaga na ang sunset. And, yun, waiting to check in na lang kami around 5 PM. And then, hopefully, makapag-board na kami around 6 o'clock. Ayan, picture-picture muna, syempre. So today is December 6, Friday. Friday nga pala kami alis. Nakalagay dyan sa banner na inaugural sailing from Dubai kasi bago lang to eh. I think November 8, around that time yung first, yung parang maiden voyage niya from Dubai to Abu Dhabi nga, to Sir Banyas Island. So siguro mga 3rd, 4th batch pa lang tong itinerary namin, tong batch namin. Ano ba? Yan lang eh. Alam mo naman. May gagawin ka pa dyang iba? Check-in yan, security.
Bilis nito. Ang bilis mo. Yun na. Ano yan?
Our key card.
Access
to everything. These are key cards. And our access to everything. Yeah.
We need to flash this out now.
Nauna sa pili, grabe, sobrang excited.
Ha? Teka lang. Di na, sa ano na? Pag nag-dock sa Abu Dhabi. Ang laki nung ang laki nung safety boat. Na, excited? Go, go, go.
Saan? Kung 9 o'clock hindi 8 o'clock yata yung
Tayo sa 11th. State room and suites.
The Palace.
Suites tayo. The Palace kasi may ano, yung isang level Palace, yung parang royal accommodation.
Kaya nga, VVIP.
Oo nga, pero hindi, ano, 11079. Ito, makikita natin dito. Ay, hindi pala. You are here.
11-0. Oh, dito tayo. Ang dami niya. Go, love it. 11-079. Oh my God, sa dulo. 3:30 pa lang tayo.
Pero dito yata yung mas malalaking room. Kasi tatluhan. Oo. Suites dito eh.
Ano sa Swiss tayo? Hindi ko kapapatuhan. Sure. Oh,
Ano, kamusta ang ating mainging room?
sino siya? Ano?
Nakarangan agad nila sa TV. Ano, kamusta? Ha?
It's just a sleeping quarter talaga.
Oh, eh, di kakain na tayo mamaya.
We're just,
Okay lang yan.
yeah, because ano lang naman, the whole time we're outside.
Eh. TV.
So, si Papa sa taas?
Hoy, tabi tayo. Dito ka na, Lance. Tabi kami ni Mama.
No, here. So, you can choose which bed.
Mhm.
Pero try mo din sa taas if you want. Floor.
Yeah. Aray ko.
I think this nakataas. No. Pagdalawa ka.
Ito pala shower. Nakasave pa rin.
Bebe, my office mate, nag-cruise din sila, but their room is so nice.
Ganda oh. Grabe oh, ang ganda oh. Para tayo sa 6th floor. Dahil nasa 6th floor daw yung libreng kainan, yung kasama sa package. Siyempre, pictorial. Lahat ba tayo? O, sige. Picture daw muna kami. Lance, ito ah.
Go down.
Yan. O, tsaka mga picture.
Ano ba yun? Ayos ka ng tayo. Baba ka din. So,
Wala lang. Maganda lang siya. Ano meron? Hindi naman tayo dito eh. Nasa 7th floor pa rin tayo.
ba to?
7th floor ito. Ano meron dito? Yung ano, entertainment. Hi. Dito.
Lúc để sau đó nốt kỳ kia là long information hả.
Entrance is basado pa. Gutom na gutom na. Ano oras na? 6:36. Ano oras yung dinner? 7. Yan. Maghapon di kumain, nagpe-prepare sa buffet.
I didn't bring it. My bed.
May bayad pala yung water. Pictorial na sila. Oh, dyan na.
For Western and Chinese, for Indian and Chinese, we serve the food.
Huh?
For Western.
Forward ka lang. So walang picture at videohan. Dinner menu.
Yeah. Anong gusto mo?
Wow.
Bukas tayo mag-western.
Okay. ayun, medyo ano lang, naka-off ka lang yung mic ko dito. So, eto na lang. Ito yung lamb stew na parang kaldereta. Sobrang sarap. Ito, chicken. And then, we have mixed vegetables. Peking duck, of course. And then, mandarin or fish. So, yung soup nila, ang sarap. Kala ko, ano lang, pinagugasan ng medyas. Pero, masarap. So far, sa 3 days namin, itong meal na to yung pinaka masarap. Yung first dinner namin. Ayun. So pagkatapos namin kumain, siguro mga 7:45 pa lang, we decided to just go around the ship kasi at this point nakadock pa naman siya sa port. Ang scheduled departure is 9 o'clock and 30 minutes before the departure magkakaroon ng parang assembly, parang magkakaroon ng parang safety drills, parang ganun. So, ayun, nilibot lang muna namin yung deck 7, which is parang nandun lahat yung nung hindi naman lahat pero marami doon yung mga entertainment area, mga iba-ibang restaurants. Maraming restaurants kasi na nasa ship. Pero yung included dun sa package is 2 restaurant lang. The rest of the restaurants, of course, magbabayad kayo ng additional for dining in those restaurants. Ayan, isa sa mga restaurants yung Silk Road, it's like a premium Chinese restaurant. And then we're going to Deck 12 kung saan nandun yung pool, nandun yung iba pang, nandun yung outdoor siya, so makikita mo talaga yung dagat na. So ayan, this is Deck 12. Ito yung pool area and ito yung slide na yan, that's Caesar's slide. The pool is called the Parthenon Pool, so parang Greek inspired, so makikita parang Roman, Greek-Roman bathhouse, parang ganun. May jacuzzi, and then later on may live band dyan mamaya. So on the 4 corners of the pool may mga jacuzzi, so enjoy dyan. And mainit yung tubig. Masarap yung slide din, na test namin yung slide on day 2. So after ng picture ng konti, balik kami sa deck 7 kasi magsa-start na yung parang assembly. So I'll show you kung ano yung mga ginawa doon sa assembly. Medyo malabo nga lang ata yung audio after.
All assembly stations are located on the boat decks, Deck 7. Assembly stations A, B, C, D, and E are located on the starboard side, which is the right side of the ship when facing forward. Assembly stations B, W, X, Y, and Z are located on the port side, which is the left side. Grab the life jacket strap and spread the 2 halves open. Put the life jacket over your head. Pass the strap around your back. Connect the buckle and pull the strap tight. The life jacket is equipped with a light and a whistle to draw attention. The light will be automatically activated in contact with water. If you need to jump overboard, press your hands against the life jacket to prevent it from hitting your face when landing in the water. For further information, please watch the ship's safety video and study the safety poster in your cabin. Should you have any questions regarding safety on board, Please do not hesitate to ask our friendly crew, World Cruises,
So, may attendance check.
and his crew. We wish you a
After nun,
pleasant cruise.
attendance check tayo. Attendance check.
Thank you for your attention.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Ito. Tanong mo sila.
Masarap nagja-jacuzzi na sila.
Huwag dyan ko. See?
Magkano pa tayo eh. May papanalit pa tayo.
Ano?
Bukas na lang para magkagaling siya sa fan. Naglalang tayo. Sa umaga magpupul.
Tayo sa umaga. Ako sa gabi. Pag di pa pagod. Pag di pa pagod. White lang talaga siya. Lang ano yun. Disadvantage niya. Mga ganyan lang.
On board resorts worldwide. Magandang gabi sa inyo. Welcome right here. Welcome on board. And yes, let us know if you have any requested songs writing down, send it over. We got 3 sets in store for you for tonight right here at the Pontoon Pool until 10:30 p.m. And don't forget also to catch our fellow musicians on board. We've got our solo performer from Colombia. We've got Laura. We've got our solo performer from Russia. Her name is Olga. And our duo from Ukraine. We've got Sergey.
May popcorn. May popcorn.
Our short excursion for tomorrow. So again, we will be going to Cervantes. I will give you some brief information about
Round 2. Bago mag midnight. Kids meal ako, tsaka dessert. Ay, mga kumukuha pa. Diba? So, round 2 tayo, round 2. Sulit na sulit ang ating time check. Ano oras na? Almost 11. Roma round 2. Konti-konti. Kompleto. May dessert, coffee. Kids meal, syempre. Kailangan kids meal tayo. Ala, puro steak ala. Sakit yan yan.